Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you all in another Dot Mandala making video. Here is a 23-inch MDF board. The details about the circles and the grids that I have made will be given in the description. Here are the colors that I'm going to use: gold, coral red and sky blue. Let us start dotting now. I'll start with dotting in the center in gold. Now I'll keep tiny golden dots. Now I'll keep red color dots in this circle. I'll keep tiny coral red dots. Now I'll keep sky blue dots in this circle. Now I'll keep two side swipes. Now I'll keep golden dots on all these lines in this circle. Now I'll keep sky blue dots towards this circle line. Now I'll keep a coral red dot in between. I'll work the dots first layer using coral red. Now I'll work the dot second layer using sky blue. Now I'll keep a straight swipe in light blue. Now I'll keep side swipe in coral red. In the next circle, I'll keep golden dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots. Now I'll keep coral red dots in this circle. Now I'll keep tiny dots here. Now in the next circle, I'll keep sky blue dots. Now I'll keep tiny dots here. Now I'll keep golden dots on all these lines. Now I'll keep two coral red dots just above these golden dots here. Now I'll keep two sky blue dots just above these coral red dots. Now I'll work the dots first on the second layer using coral red. Now third and the fourth layer I'll work the dots using sky blue. Now I will keep a straight swipe in light blue. Now I will keep two side swipes in red. Now I'll dot with gold on all these lines in this circle. Now I'll keep coral red dots just above these golden dots. Now I'll work the dots both the layers using coral red. I'll now keep two sky blue dots just above these coral red dots. Now I'll work the dots third and the fourth layer using sky blue. I'll give one more sky blue dot towards this circle line here. I'll now keep a coral red dot in between. Now I'll work the dot's fifth layer using coral red. Now I'll work the dot's sixth layer using sky blue. I will now keep a straight swipe in gold. Now I'll keep two side swipes in sky blue. I'll keep two more side swipes in coral red. So towards the edge of this MDF board, I'm going to fill it with golden dots.